Oh, geez. The headache won't go away.
Donald? Ready, set, go.
It's in Egypt. It's the other one, the famous.
Stop burping.
When you want to get into your house, you.
Wacky.
In Vegas, you won a lot of money using this machine.
Funky.
You remember the last trip you made a lot of money?
You already said it.
She said, "Oh, okay, I didn't even hear that." When you first go enter a building, that big area is called
Lobby.
I hate this stuff. It's kind of
Fondue.
No, it's when you,
You hate sushi?
what?
Sushi.
Sushi? Oh, really close.
Yeah.
Fondue.
What was the other one?
I don't like fondue either.
How many did you get?
I don't remember.
Because you put them on top of each other. You just put the ones that you get on the side.
Okay. Did we get good? No, we
No,
didn't
you
get
just skip that.
We got Sphinx.
Yeah.
We didn't get Brother's Green. We got Slot Machine.
2.
We got Lobby.
Yeah,
3. And that's it. 3.